2026, the world of luxury expedition vehicles has just witnessed a revolution. Standing tall in the center of a glass-walled premium showroom, bathed in soft amber lighting and surrounded by hushed awe, is the Scania DesertCruiser 6x6, a machine that doesn't just redefine travel, it rewrites the very meaning of mobility and freedom. This is not your typical camper or truck. This is a land yacht engineered for those who crave adventure with the finesse of five-star comfort. Every curve, every bolt, every roar of its engine speaks of power and precision born from Scania's legacy of durability and design. From the very first glance, the DesertCruiser demands respect. Its imposing stance, built on a heavy-duty 6x6 chassis, commands the space like a living beast ready to conquer deserts, ice fields and rocky wilderness alike. The glossy titanium gray body reflects the soft golden lighting of the showroom, like a mirror, emphasizing every muscle contour of its sculpted frame. The wide front grille bears the iconic Scania emblem. Bold, confident, unshakable. LED matrix headlights slice through the darkness like laser beams, while auxiliary spotlights mounted above the windshield ensure crystal-clear visibility in the harshest terrains. Beneath its muscular front lies a reinforced bumper with integrated winches, adaptive sensors, and military-grade recovery hooks, all blending form and function flawlessly. The tires are a masterpiece of engineering in themselves. Oversized, all-terrain giants with deep, aggressive tread patterns wrap around matte black alloy wheels, giving the DesertCruiser its unstoppable ground grip. The 6x6 drivetrain operates on an intelligent torque distribution system that continuously adapts to surface conditions, whether it's sand dunes, snow plains, or steep rocky paths. The adaptive suspension adjusts ride height automatically, raising itself for deep rut off-road performance or lowering on highways for aerodynamic stability. Watching it rise and settle feels like witnessing a mechanical organism adjusting to its habitat. Walk around the side, and the design becomes even more captivating. The elongated frame reveals an aerodynamic flow that belies its size. Flush door handles, hidden storage compartments, and military-grade aluminum panels showcase craftsmanship, usually reserved for luxury yachts. The seamless integration of solar panels along the rooftop tells you this vehicle isn't just about raw strength, it's about sustainable independence. Even in the remotest deserts, this machine can generate its own energy, powering its living quarters and onboard systems effortlessly. At the rear, the DesertCruiser turns from brute power to practical elegance. The hydraulically controlled rear hatch opens to reveal an extendable deck, your private balcony in the wilderness. This isn't merely a camper, it's a mobile fortress of comfort. The tail lights have a sleek red laser strip design that sweeps across the rear, reminiscent of futuristic concept vehicles. The rear-mounted spare tire, secured by an automated lift system, completes the rugged appeal while ensuring practicality for long expeditions. Open the side door, and the real magic unfolds. The interior greets you with an ambiance that rivals high-end luxury apartments. Every inch is crafted with premium materials, soft leather, brushed aluminum, and rich walnut wood accents. The golden ambient lighting running along the roof panels creates a warm, inviting glow that feels both modern and comforting. The cockpit is a masterpiece of Scandinavian design. Ergonomic seats with cooling and heating, a full panoramic digital dashboard, and an AI-powered control hub that manages everything from terrain mode to cabin temperature with voice commands. The steering wheel carries the Scania insignia and is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, while the crystal gear selector adds a touch of elegance unseen in off-road vehicles. The living area feels like a futuristic suite. Two ultra-soft recliner chairs with massage functions face a retractable OLED display. The integrated sound system, tuned by Bose, fills the cabin with immersive acoustics, whether you're listening to classical music in the rain or watching movies under desert stars. The kitchenette is compact, yet fully equipped with induction cooking, refrigeration, and purified water systems. A hidden compartment reveals a fold-out dining table crafted from carbon fiber, composite, lightweight yet luxurious. Towards the rear, a full-sized sleeping zone ensures comfort in the wild. The bed, dressed in premium fabric with memory foam, offers a 180-degree panoramic view through the wraparound windows. With one command, electrochromic glass darkens for privacy. Even the bathroom exudes class, featuring a rainfall shower, smart mirror, and self-cleaning toilet. This is a vehicle designed for those who refuse to compromise between adventure and luxury. Underneath this sophisticated design lies raw power. The Scania DesertCruiser 6X6 is powered by a twin-turbo 16-liter V8 diesel engine producing a jaw-dropping 770 horsepower and over 3,500 Nm of torque. This monstrous engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering seamless gear shifts and responsive acceleration, even when hauling heavy payloads. Its intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures that no terrain is too challenging. Whether climbing steep dunes or crossing muddy trails, it maintains balance, traction, and confidence. The air suspension, equipped with predictive terrain sensors, adjusts damping in real time, delivering an unbelievably smooth ride for a vehicle of its size. Fuel efficiency may not be its strongest point, but Scania's hybrid assist system adds an electric motor boost that supports low-speed movement silently, perfect for eco-sensitive regions or urban entry zones.